Welcome back to another tutorial video. In this video, we're gonna cover how to change the tool speed of the robot. This can be done so by going to Configure, Safety, Robot Limits. And here, you can see that we have most restrictive to least restrictive. This also shows the range of the robot tool speed. The most restrictive will be 500 mm per second, and the least restrictive will be 4000 mm per second. You can also set a customized tool speed for your working environment. But make sure in our program, the default logic is that the reduce will be lower than normal. So when you're changing the values to some lower speed, make sure you change the reduce first. If I want to change the normal first, let's say if I clear it, you see that it's bounded by the reduced tool speed. So let me set my reduced tool speed to the lowest, and once I want to change the normal, you can see that our lower bound changes with our reduced speed. Similarly, if I set this as 2000, the maximum tool speed is restrictive by the normal speed. So if you want to increase your reduced speed, make sure you change your normal speed so the upper bound changes. And once you're satisfied with your tool speed, you can simply hit apply. You'll need to power off the robot and turn it on again for the changes to take effect. And that's how you change the tool speed of the robot. Thank you for watching.